Oh, well, but oh, I'm in the kitchen.
Who are you?
Oh, me. I'm a lemon. So, you can call me Grandpa Lemon. Now that looks sexy.
Ew, sexy. Oh, jeez. Well, I'm an orange.
Oh, Boris. Well, nice to meet you. I'm really glad to meet you, Mom.
No, orange. Yes. My goodness.
Oh, sorry. Well, I just have a problem here.
No, orange.
Oh, orange. Oh, I'm sorry about that, but my ears is always shouting and makes me deaf.
We'll say that. Whoa, you're really so. My gosh. Hey, Grandpa Lemon.
Whoa, who said that?
Me. I said it, Grandpa Lemon. Ah, jeez. My gosh.
Sorry, orange, but I just really got a problem here. My God, I just can't believe it.
Blah! That was disgusting, Grandpa Lemon. My gosh. Hey, Grandpa Lemon.
What, orange?
Chicken hot.
Chicken? Huh? Where's that?
No, chicken butt.
Chicken butt? Oh, where's that?
No, chicken butt.
Oh, chicken butt. I didn't know the adults were into these things these days.
No, it's a joke.
I too. I got one for you. Why is Porcupine cross the road?
Why? Oh, for crying out loud. He's asleep. Hey! Hey!
Oh, who are you?
I'm an orange.
Oh, well, sure. There's a porcupine and he...
Gross. Jeez. Hey, Grandpa Lemon.
What?
Knife.
Oh my God, no!
How could someone get sleep by getting